Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and today I got the Arrows L-39 out here. We're going to fly it on a 4S 1300 milliamp hour battery and see if we can get a nice flight today. We do have just a tiny bit of wind, but I'm expecting it to fly a little bit better on 4S than that last flight, and I got a little more room. Maybe we can get this thing opened up. All right, guys. I adjusted my flight timer to 3 minutes, and I also adjusted the high throttle trim. So when I got it full throttle in safe mode, it gives me a little more elevator. I adjusted it from 10 degrees to 20 degrees. Hopefully that'll help out, because last time I was from launching hand to the elevator, and a lot of elevator to try to keep it from touching the ground. So I'm hoping this helps. I love these little grips to grab a hold of this plane. Let's get this thing in the air. Throttle cut off. Alrighty. Oh, well, maybe I might need to adjust it just a little more. We get it turned around here. Taking its good old time bringing it around. About half throttle. And here we go. Safe off, I think. Well, maybe not. It's feeling like maybe it's off now. Here it is. Now I found it. I was hitting the wrong switches. Safe is off now. You can see it rocking pretty decent. Getting back here towards the sun a little too much. So we'll get it down here on this end and bring it back downwind. She's moving pretty good in 4S. I'm probably going to want to mess with having dual rates, because I definitely was having too much control at the higher speeds here. When she sat down as she turned instead of climbing. And keep it up out of those trees. Nice roll rate. I'm thinking there's hard points on the bottom. I'm thinking I can get a nice belly landing on the runway. Oh, luckily I wasn't too deep in there. Didn't hit the trees. So yeah, I'm gonna have to dumb these rates down. I'm at 100%, of course, but I'll be getting 70% adjusted in, a little smoother. Got my AS3X about 50% on my receiver. It's helping a little bit. In fact, let's creep it up just a little bit. When I first flew it, it was too much. We go about 3/4 throttle. This airplane is screaming. So I've heard other people say that this airplane is much more fun on 4S, and I would say it's pretty good. I don't know if it's a whole lot better than 3S, but it's pretty good. And I will say I like it, and it's 4S is doing well. It does feel like you got that little extra punch out speed. And let's bring it back around. Keep it up there above the trees. They're gonna have to creep this in for a nice landing. You know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw it back into safe down there and let it help me land this. Nice and high. Here we go. Safe is on. And it's going to be a nice long turn. Boy, it's really deep in the turn here. Here we go. Slowing it down. Not too much. We'll get it down the runway. Oh. All right, let's take off again. Touch and go for everybody. So, I'm not sure. I'm trying to use a rudder. Goodness. All right, safe off. And we'll try to slow it down a little better on the approach here with safe off and see if I can do better. Throttle is dead. There we go. Much better. Kept it nice and level. But without the landing gear, I'm not able to bring it back. So sort of walk of shame. Nothing really wrong, except for I got to go get it. So pretty happy with the Arrows L-39 on the 4S 1300 milliamp hour battery. It did really good. The landing, if it was less wind, I could have brought it in. Probably should have had dual rates so I could get that roll rate just a little bit lower, but it's a fine balance because you don't want to tune it down too far and not have enough control when you need to really get it turned around. Similar to when I have it in safe, but for the most part, man, I just had a good time with this. We did go a minute over, so got a 4-minute flight time with no problem. And yeah, super blessed to be able to be out here. And I appreciate all your guys' support. You guys are awesome. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.